It's a Jewish world, after all, and let the goyim be damned. Just like Bibsy's campaign ad, he's going to defy U.S. interests just like Ben-Gurion did in 48.
1948, בן גוריון עומד בפני החלטה גורלית, הקמת מדינת ישראל. מזכיר המדינה האמריקני התנגד בתוקף. בן גוריון, בניגוד לעמדת מחלקת המדינה האמריקנית, מכריז על הקמת המדינה.
Yep, only Netanyahu decides U.S. policy and democracy gets trashed. Here's the real question. Would the world be a better place had Secretary of State George Marshall's objection been followed rather than Truman's consent? For ever since the creation of the Jewish state, born of Zionist terror, we've had nothing but chaos, conflict, and incited Islamic jihad. Let's get it straight. Iran hasn't waged a war in centuries.